Hola, friends! Hurry! Are you ready to help others today? When someone can't speak up, what do we do? If a friend feels sad and small, and no one hears their voice at all, we can help them, yes we can, by being kind and taking a stand. When someone needs help, what do we do? Speak up, loud and clear. Helping others brings God near. Stand up strong and do what's right. Shine your love like a bright, bright light. Speak up, don't be shy. Lift your voice and reach the sky. When someone needs a helping hand, together we can take a stand. If someone's treated unfair at school, or someone's breaking the kindness rule, we can say, hey, that's not okay. Let's help our friends today. Should we help our friends? Yes, we do! Speak up, loud and clear. Helping others brings God near. Stand up strong and do what's right. Shine your love like a bright, bright light. Let's go on a kindness quest. Helping others is the best. Small voices, big hearts too. Changing the world, me and you. Speak up, brave and kind. Helping every heart we find. God's love shining all around when we lift our voices loud.